Good morning. This refrigerator does not have any type of a latch that keeps it closed as you're traveling. Well, when there's food inside, sometimes the door does pop open. Well, the other day when Terry was moving the camper, he took it to get the inverter installed, and we had the refrigerator propped open, and we just had the door open because it was sitting empty, and we were trying to prevent any mold or anything like that in the fridge. Well, before he left, he failed to check and make sure that everything was closed up and properly tightened up before he left. Well, when he got it back, the drawer was laying in the floor and the shelf. Luckily, nothing broke, but we have to find a solution on how to keep this door from coming open during travel. And as you can see, put a nice little dent in my refrigerator door. I'm not too happy about that. So we watched this other YouTube channel, and they put one of those child locks. And so we went to Walmart and we got one of those. I'll show you what it looks like. It's just one of these safety first multi-use locks. It says that it fits for fridges, cabinets, and more. So we're going to try this out and see how that works. I'm a little concerned about sticking anything on here, but we've got to find a solution for keeping this closed. And I really don't want any more dents in my refrigerator. So, yeah, so we'll see what happens. I'll open the box and we'll take a look and see if we're going to be able to make this work. Okay, so I got a little overzealous and started installing this without filming it, but so basically what this is, looks like a strap. This is a pivot, like a pivotal hinge, and so I've mounted it to the side of the cabinet, and then I have not mounted the locking part, and so it looks like if I just kind of get it where I want it here, and then I'll just take the backing off and press it to the fridge. And it says to check to make sure you can't open your fridge more than an inch with it attached, and I think that's going to work right there. I could even make it not quite so snug, but I think if I do it right there, that would be about right. So here goes nothing. We'll take the backing off, get this lined up about where I want it. Stick it on, firmly press it onto the front of the fridge. Okay, and this is firmly pressed on to the side of the cabinet. This thing, so you do have to be smarter than the child-proof lock, because just like a child, I thought that was the button to unlock it. That is not the button that unlocks it. It's actually hidden up here. When you squeeze this, the lock comes off just like that, and then presses back on. So that's how that works. So just squeeze and take it off, and then it hinges and falls there. You can open the fridge, and then to lock it, you just snap it on just like that. So we're going to check, try this out for a little while. It does say to let these dry for 24 hours. So anyhow, we will see how that works. Those are about $10 at Walmart. Safety First brand. we'll see how that goes. And if we have any trouble with it, we'll let you know. But if you have other solutions that you've tried, or you have tried this solution, let us know in the comments and tell us whether or not it has worked for you or something that may work better. I think that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, leave us a like, consider subscribing, and we'll see you on the next adventure.